Today we're gonna play with the tractor and some construction trucks. I'm so excited. Are you?
Yes!
Look, this is a construction truck. The bed of the truck is for all sorts of materials, like sand or rocks. Should we see? Look, we have a construction digger. It comes with a claw to help scoop up dirt, debris, or rocks. Tractors are built to go at slow speeds for construction and farming. Look, it's Farmer Fred. Whoa, we learned about so many cool things today. Thanks for all your help. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the